so today we're looking at the Phenyx Pro wireless system. It comes with an instruction manual. I guess this is the PDG 11 model. The transmitter just looks like this. It's pretty simple. And one of the cool things is it did come with a carrying case for the receiver, the transmitter, all the cords and stuff. You can just stick them in there, they fit. Woo. All right, so all you need to do is hook up so right out of the box, you just screw on the antennas, take the cord that will plug into your amp, make sure your amp's turned on, then just turn on your receiver, and it's automatically going to go to the right frequency. It does have a volume knob on it, so that you can go, and then you can use different frequencies if you need to, but mine worked right out of the box. In fact, literally out of the box, it just is just like this. You turn it on, then you take your receiver, there's an on switch on that, so you just flip it on, stick it in your guitar, and just like that, you're ready to go. That's it. That's literally the whole setup. It's really nice. And so this is how you get rid of cords. Now it does have quite a range. I tried it out just in the house. I haven't tried it on stage or anything yet, but just walking around the house, I was able to go from the upstairs through a bunch of walls downstairs into a different room, and it was still picking up upstairs. Not that you'd ever need to do that because you want to hear your sound, obviously, but the range is pretty good, and haven't had any problem like switching the settings on the guitar or on the amp or anything. It all just comes right through the receiver, and so it's just the same as having a cord, same sound, same quality. You just don't have a cord anymore, so that's all you've got. So that's it.